Hi everyone! Blessed Saturday! No snow today, no rain, snow, but it's melting. As you can see. It's melting, everything is here is melting. Cool. Cool.
What?
No karga, let's go home. Malagal naman karga because Papa here. Mahangin, masyadong malamig sa mukha, yung hangin. Melting, it's very cold.
Two buildings and they one house.
This?
First floor.
Where?
First floor, I think somewhere here.
Oh, really? Maybe this is the new building, it's okay. Nagme-melt yung mga ice. Ayan. I'm walking. What you think of me standing? Mama walking. Yung batang to napaka reklamador, manang-mana sa nanay. What's your plan for that? Huh? What's your plan for that? What's your plan? Just take it? Just take it.
Oh, here. Oh.
Naghahanap kami ng yung tawag dito, yung nagpo-print ng picture. Kasi tatapusin ko na yung ni Nicole, yung album niya. Hindi kasi matapos-tapos dahil marami pang picture na kulang. Kaya inaano ko na that one have pipi, color yellow. No?
Куда положить?
Ayan, makikita mo, Aptica, yan, pharmacy. Ang parang N nila is P yan, Aptica, pharmacy yan. Nakakabasa na ako konti, pero hindi pa rin ako makaintindi ng some words. May sapunan sila ng basura dito. Not basura, yung mga plastic. Ayan. Kakapal ng snow. Imagine yun, ang kapal ng snow. Ito yung mga Christmas tree na hindi nagkukupas ang kulay. Kulay green lang yan siya. Always green. Winter, snow, or summer. Always green. Ganda tingnan. Itong mobile ng asawa ko, ang ganda. Pero pag mag-upload, ang hirap-hirap. Or sa YouTube, unfriendly. Hindi naman kami nagmamadali, kaya take time. I'm doing Nicole. May naglilinis sa taas ng roof. Nalilinis nila. Ito. Ayan. Ibang mall kami today. Ayan. Pasok na kami sa ibang mall dahil makulit na si Nicole. Daming ice. Yan. Ayan daming ice. Ayan. Malit lang siya ng mall. Parang may salon. Ayan. iPhone house. No, not up. Mga honey and butter. I think it's here. No. Photoshop.
No, this is for shisha.
Ah, shisha. Okay. 300 words for the hero photo love. Photo. Reprinting.
No, this
Furniture here. Furniture? Yeah. Nothing much in this mall. What happened?
let's go up.
Wala masyado dito. Second floor. Hindi masyadong ano dito. Ito, set of photo. All closed? Here, photo na documents. Also here. Oh, also here. Photo, also photo. Tama siya about sa cellphone niya na na-block. Shops ng mga ano, repair shops. Ang liit lang ng ano nila, yung parang spacious. Ang liit ng mga ano, space. Iniikot-ikot lang kami. Maliit lang sa mo. Tahimik.
Repairing shops.
Repairing shops.
Cell phones, washing machines.
Oh, maybe they can repair your iPhone.
My phone,
Yeah.
I need password.
Oh, maybe they can repair. We will ask. Pasok kami dito, check. We are not in a hurry naman, so checking. Remote. Amoy kilikili. Ah, Javier, oh. Ganito. Amoy kilikili. Babae pa naman sana ang ano. Amoy kilikili. Who are you talking? They asking you? May batang makulit. Ala, takbo. Achi. Have car, oh. Ayan, may buhangin. Itong buhangin nila, may halong chemicals to, kaya hindi madulas. Ayan, oh, yung sasakyan, oh. Hindi siya madulas. May batang makulit, may bitbit na snow. Agis daw niya sa akin. Lolo. Kinakabahan ako. Park si Manoy. Punta kami doon. Yun, no. Gusto mo ikaw lang, ha? Gusto mo ikaw lang, ha? May orange. Ito yung sakit ng high school. Aray, ang sakit. Double, I will throw.
My mobile, please. Full of ice.
Maybe she's close. Or she's gone. She's gone. Can we ask? Maybe they transfer somewhere? Another side? She want to see a toy.
Большие, маленькие, куда тебе? Чего?
601 piece. What do you have?
У тебя целая комната в группе.
Can I see? What do you want to see? Ah, there in the side. Ano? Yung passion na Christmas tree dito. Yan, sa loob ng bahay. Christmas tree.
Fresh one.
Fresh one. Binibili yan. Pauwi na kami. Actually, naglakad-lakad lang. Para ng fresh air si baby. Tara na, let's go. Labay. Labay, Pasti. Hold mama. Yan.
Huh?
Daddy tired? Yeah, daddy tired. Tara, let's go. Hurry. Yan. Yan na yung building namin. Pero doon kami sa harap. Ayun, dito kami sa harap dito. Main road, park area. Ito yung park area. Oh no, what happened? Wind. Hello, hold papa. Meron ka. Mainit. As in super init. Pero malamig. Dahil sa mahangin. Natunaw yung ice. Walang snow ngayon sa umaga, pero paggabi, ayun, nag-i-snow na malakas. Malakas, grabe ang snow paggabi. Pag umaga, natutunaw. Sa gabi, grabe ang snow. Ayan. Imagine, ang kapal, oh. Ang kapal. Yung galing dito sa, pinadaanan, pathway, dito tinatapon. Kasi garden naman to eh. Wala na, natutulog na yung mga halaman. Yan, mga bata naglalaro sa playground. Kaso yung playground nahaluan ng lupa ay yung snow galing dito. Kaya madumi, may sand. Tara na nak, bye. Papa, daos bidan yan. Bye, daos bidan yan. Ulit ang hangin ito. Ulit na. Ito pa pa rin. Ulit na. Duko, yeah. Wala masyadong naglalaro sa park. Dahil malamig. Ayan, pasok na kami. Oh, tara na, let's go up. Tara. Tara na. Tara na. Mama, karga mama. Nandito na kami sa bahay. Tingnan niyo si Nicole. Higa yan siya. Let's go there inside. Bye. Milagro, hindi umika. Aray. Dito na kami. Ang daming.
No issues.
Nicole, say thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Give a kiss. Look at here. Here.